Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm excited to show you what I did for my wedding favors. My wedding favors are going to be pink Himalayan salt in a mini glass jar. And today I will show you guys how you do it. My wedding colors are pink, gold, and green. And I really want to incorporate the pink themes into the wedding favors. So that's why we're using the pink Himalayan salt as the wedding favors. We also wanted to have a glass jar that had a white top to incorporate elements of our wedding. We really wanted to blend the two together, so we have the ocean side of it and we also have the pink side. So I think the blend of those two will be really great, and I hope that our guests will be able to use these in their everyday cooking. I really hope you like the wedding favors. If you decide to use these as your wedding favors, please let me know down in the comments below what you did and take a photo of it. I'm going to show you step by step of how I make the wedding favors. So, yay! Last but not least, please give this video a huge thumbs up and hit the subscribe button down below, and let's get to it! I got these jars from Michael's, and I believe it comes in 4 different colors, but I chose the white color. I ended up choosing the white color since it really fits with our wedding theme. I also like the fact that they feel very sturdy. It's not flimsy. I love how it's made out of glass and really great to be at the kitchen. You can open the jar by doing this. Ta-da! And that opens up really nicely. What's really important is that before you use them, you really need to make sure that you wash these jars. We wash these jars with vinegar and water, and you close it, I shook it up, and then I let it air dry. So now these are perfectly clean and ready to use. Now we're gonna open up the Himalayan salt. Oh, there you go. Okay. Oh wow, the salt crystals are really gorgeous. They're not too coarse and they're not too small either. So I think these would be really beautiful in the glass jars. I got the Himalayan pink salt from Costco and they come in a 2-pack. I just opened one, but this is what the box looks like if you're interested in purchasing. I love the pink color. So now I'm gonna put our funnel in the glass jar like so. I'm going to take a measuring cup, a small one, you don't want it to be too big. I'm going to place this into the funnel so it fills right in. So I'm going to fill this up all the way to the top. Lift it up a little bit. Perfect. So now it looks like this. Wow, I love that. I just already love how it looks. It reminds me of the sand, and I don't know, I just love how it fits with our whole Half Moon Bay theme. I am really impressed with how it turned out. Okay, so now I'm gonna put this over to the side, give it a close, put it off to the side, and now I'm gonna grab the ribbon. I just grabbed the ribbon, and I love this ribbon because it has this beautiful metallic feel to it, and I love how it's sheer, but really beautiful. I think this is called an organza ribbon. I chose the 1-inch size since it's gonna look really beautiful and super full. Now I'm going to take my handy dandy ruler and going to measure approximately 1 foot, so I'm going to cut it right there, like that. I'm going to grab the 2 ends together, and now I'm going to fold these in half this way. So now I have these 2 together, and I'm going to cut it so it makes a nice little angle. Ta-da! I love how these edges look like, and it's a nice touch to spruce up your wedding fibers. I'm gonna grab my Himalayan salt back. I'm going to put the ribbon through this side. Let me cut off the tag first. What I like to do to make the ribbon really easy to put here, since it is a bigger size, is to fold it in 3. Fold one side there, fold another side, and then put it like that. Now I'm going to close the lid, and I'm going to put this part on. I'm going to tuck one side of the ribbon into the hole and just carefully take it out. I'm going to do the same thing with the other side, so tuck it in and carefully bring it out. Now I'm going to pull this down. Now I'm going to tie 2 knots like that. Just make sure to make it really neat. And the other knot, like so. And there you have it! So this is the finished look. And look how it turns out. I love it. It looks like sand, which I am a huge fan of. And there we have it. I really hope that this will be very useful for my wedding guests. One of the reasons why we chose this is so my wedding guests can actually use a wedding favor and hopefully they find it useful. I really like how it turns out. It's just so beautiful. I love the detailing. It's really easy to make, simple, but looks very elegant and perfect for a wedding. So now I just have to make as many of these as my wedding guests. I really hope that they like it, and I hope you like them too. So that is the end of my video. I really hope that you like it. If you decide to use these favors in your wedding, a bridal shower, or for any party, let me know in the comments down below. And thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye!